Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to refund a G2G purchase. Now first of all, go to the website of G2G, g2g.com, and once you're logged in with your account, as you can see that I have logged in with my account, so just click on your profile icon, and from here you can just go to purchase orders. And once you go to purchase orders, so you will see all the orders that you have purchased, or like verify payment, preparing, delivering, or which are in pending. So you will see all the options available in this section. Now if you want to get a refund, so what you can do is just click on this question mark button. Just click on this option and you will see a G2G support section like this one, got questions. So you can search question, but in our case you can just click on contact us, and from this section you can just enter your full name, your email address, like make sure to enter the email address which you want to receive the support on, and they will ask you, are you a seller or a buyer? So just click on buyer. And how can we help us? You can just click on payment dispute or chargeback related. So just choose this option, payment dispute, and please choose your issue type. So product issue or unauthorized transactions, so you can choose product issue, and product type as well, like what did you buy from the G2G. And like let's say that I bought some kind of account, so just click on account and choose, write down the subject, like let's say I bought the CapCut Pro account, so you can just write down CapCut Pro account suspended or something like this you can write. And in this side, the description section, like you just explain the all the details that you had discussed with your the client from where you bought the this product. So you can just write down that that person gave me the warranty or whatever, and now he's not accepting or something like that. So you can just write down the description, and make sure to write down the order number into this section as well. Like once the order is completed or delivered, it will be listed into this section like your order. So make sure to go to this section and copy the order number and paste it in this section. And phone number is optional, so that is your choice. And make sure that you attach the chat of the person as well, like through which you are talking to, like the seller person. So make sure to attach the screenshots. Just click on I'm not a robot, and just click on the send button. And once you click on send button, so your query will be sent, and they will contact you, verify your case, and refund your amount within 2 to 3 working days, and your issue will be solved. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.